Hey, Nonna Pia.
Yeah.
I got a surprise for you. Look in the cooler over here.
I gotta look it.
Yeah, check it out. Wow, I got the blue crabs. I caught them this morning.
Ooh, they're beautiful.
They're still alive. Hey, he wants a fight. Get him, Nonna, get him. Nonna, you know how to cook the crabs?
Yes, I make a sauce for the crab.
All right.
Then with that sauce, I make spaghetti.
Beautiful. First, we gotta say goodnight to the crabs. Buonanotte. Bye. Ciao.
Bye.
Oh.
Yeah.
We're gonna eat good. Be careful. It's gonna get you.
They want to eat. They're already dead.
So time to clean it. All right, look at that. Let me see, Nonna. Here they go.
They're beautiful. It's a really surprise, Tony.
Surprise,
I
yeah.
do this for a long time.
I know, that's why I had to go catch them.
We love this.
How are we gonna clean it, Nonna? Show me. Ah.
I'll show you the way I want to clean. See, I took everything off.
There we go. There's one. We got a lot to clean, everybody. Gotta get some basil, Nonna?
Excellent.
Ooh, what are we gonna do with that?
Put them in the sauce.
Ah, for the crabs.
For the crab.
Okay. All right, Nonna, they're all cleaned up. All right, Nonna, we're in the kitchen.
Okay.
What are you gonna prepare?
Now, I'm gonna make sauce. Aspetta. There's lasagna.
All right. Some garlic.
Now I put the oil. I fry it up.
Okay, andiamo.
This is my new sauce.
All right. Look at that. Fresh. Throw it in there, Nonna. Here you go, Nonna. Here's another one.
Yes.
On the back. We have our own store in the back, right? Oh, you need help? Put it down. I get it. That always helps. Now it's easier, right?
That's it.
You're a professional. You don't need my help.
I want to put a little bit black peppers,
Okay.
just a little bit, not too much.
All right.
Now I want to put a basil.
Basil, of
But
course.
I want to wash first.
And your hands. Go throw it right in the sauce.
A little pinch of Romano cheese.
Okay.
I'll let you test it.
I can taste the sauce, Nonna?
Yeah, I want you to test it.
Okay.
How's it taste? Good, huh?
Flavorful. All right,
I
almost
let it
done.
boil 5 minutes like this, and then I put the crabs.
Oh,
and
you're gonna hit me with that? Oh!
I'm surprised all this.
Yeah, we worked hard all morning. You know what we caught them with, Nonna? Just a chicken bone. Wow, that's a lot.
I'm gonna put it in.
One at a time. And you gotta stir them in there. Push them down. They cook fast, Nonna?
They cook fast.
Okay.
The first batch is done.
Batch,
We're gonna
Nonna?
eat the crab all night.
All right, we're gonna get dirty. Got it?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice and hot. Look at that one. That's a big one.
I'm gonna put a pasta in.
Okay. There we go. Linguine, right? Sauce from the crab. We don't waste it. We put it right on the pasta.
Oh, no. It's all done. I want you to taste one.
Well, I'm gonna eat. Don't worry about me. And you're gonna have some too?
Yes.
Okay, good. Bon appetit, Nonna Pia.